Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we've got some big news for you. Let's go. Okay guys, so I know we've been away, but we've got some big news. We're super excited to bring you guys along for the ride. And I know a lot of you have been following us since the very beginning, and it's wild to think how far we've come in such a short time period. It's only been about 2 years where we've been building container homes in a factory. And in that short time, we've brought Containing Luxury from virtually just an idea to a $15 million company. And we're super excited to announce the partnership that we're doing with Start Engine, which is a crowdfunding campaign. And on that campaign, we're about to open up the doors for everyday investors to be able to buy and own a piece of Containing Luxury. It's pretty detailed on what I can and cannot talk about because this is a pre-launch. So I actually got a list because they know me and I'm gonna go off on some tangents. So I have a very detailed list here that I can, and valuation is one of them. We were going to market at a $15 million valuation. When you look at the housing industry, obviously the sky's the limit from there. Our goals of building communities of mass production, our exponential growth, we know that we can take this company to a much, much higher level. Okay, so some of the ways we're gonna be using this capital that we raised through Start Engine's crowdfunding campaign and bringing you on as investors into the company is that we need to increase our production lines. We have a ton of demand and we need to focus on more efficient ways to move product in and out of our doors. With that being said, we also want to focus on certifications. We currently are working in Florida, South Carolina. We're working on getting those same certifications across the entire country so that we can produce product designed specifically for those states that we're building and expanding production into those states as well. Some of the other ways that we're going to be using capital is for marketing and growth of the company. Obviously, a huge part of our platform is you guys out there. Everybody that's been a loyal subscriber to Containing Luxury is what's helped grow this company to what it is. And a big part of the evaluation, our community is there to support us. And every time we've done something, we've seen the outpour of the community coming in. And that's where we're reaching out to you again to say, hey, look, you guys have been along for the ride. We want you to partner with us and we want you guys to win with the wins that Containing Luxury have on a daily basis. So we're excited for what the future has to bring. We're super excited to bring this to your attention that this is going to be opening up. It is not open yet, but what we need you guys to do is to hit the link below, and there's going to be a registration form there so that you can register to purchase shares of Containing Luxury the second we go live. And with that registration, you're going to then be on the emailing list to be one of the first investors on there, because the first investors on the platform are going to be, and it's a limited supply, you're going to get bonus shares. And there's a bunch of different levels of bonus shares that you get depending on how much of Containing Luxury you opt to purchase. But all that stuff is going to be included in there, so just follow along. We appreciate all the support you guys have had for us, and we're excited for the future. From Containing Luxury and the whole family here, we out.